Okay, we're gonna take a look at this Kedsum heavy duty dolly. Well, if you know, you know. Kedsum is one of the leaders when it comes to heavy duty moving dollies, and this one is absolutely a beast. And it's 6 wheels, two big ones for lift, fold, stretch, so you can lift bigger appliances, boxes. I actually have a huge box that's quite heavy that I'm gonna try to lift it with this one. I mean, why not? I like the big wheels. That matters a lot, especially if you're going through stairs or anything. I love that. Okay, let's jump in and see what's actually inside, because we have to put it together. Most of it is together, but there are wheels and other stuff that needs to be put, and we're gonna do just that. So here's the body itself. Okay, so this part is at least put together already. Just have to put some wheels and other stuff on it real quick. Ooh, this feels heavy duty actually. Ooh, what did they do here? Okay, I'm in. That's all I can say. But let me open this other side real quick, because that's where we have the good stuff. Oh, I see some good bearing here. I like that. Two big wheels. Nice. And we have the other four. Whoa, these are good. Okay, with brakes, so you can stop things. Oh yeah, these actually feel heavy duty. We take everything out real quick and get right back. Okay, so here we have everything we need, and we have the manual that puts everything in a very easy to understand way. And oh yeah, somebody's lifting boxes here too. That's what I will do. Actually, I can lift a huge flower pot too, like they're doing here. I have a heavy one. Huh. We'll take a look at that in a minute too. Okay, as I understand, the ones with brakes should go towards the front, which means right here. And oh yeah, and we should have the screws for plastic. We have gloves to work with. We have a wrench. We have the screws for the metal part. We have nuts. We have the plastic ones and the key. And that's pretty much all we need right here. And we're gonna go ahead and install it. So these, we need some washers as well, obviously. Without washers, there's no deal. Okay, so this should be nice and very... Now you can do it with included tools, or you can use quicker tools like I'm going to. This one makes it just a little bit faster, and we should be good to go. And just like that, all the four wheels are done. Just keep in mind the ones with brake on the plastic part, and on the back, just take these plastic caps that are for covering out. And we have the self-lock nuts. They have the plastic piece that locks them. That's why you don't need any kind of other blockers. Just how these work. And that's it. You are ready to go. This side goes inside. As you see, it's a little bit bulged out, and this is the outside. This goes like this, and we put the lock nut really quick. Boom, just like that. It is locked in. And I'm gonna put the other one really quick. Boom, and the second one, and it's ready to rock. Oh yeah. Oh, that's the best six-wheeler I've probably seen in a while. Oh yeah, this thing literally lifts up and down like some machinery. And the extended pads here help a lot. And then you can lift this one, or you can lock it right here if you want to. And you can extend this handle as well, as much as you need. Tested, but you press this little button right there like this, and it extends. And besides that, you have the other part. Let me put this down here. You press, there's another button right here, and this comes out. Look at that thing. Now we're talking. And look, the whole wheelbase goes out if you need to. You can put this down, and if you want to, you can even use it like this in like one piece. This is really cool. Wow. Okay. I'm liking this thing even more right now. Oh, yes. Okay. Well, we need to go lift a few things in order to see the full potential of this dolly, which is really nice and really beautiful. And you can lock these in by putting, wait, let me bring this forward a little bit more. Lock here, and in here, if you want to lock it right there, you put these two down, and as you see, now it locks in that position if you need it standing in that position. Otherwise, you just lift those up and you can push it either this around, I would say, 60 degrees, or you can fully collapse this arm and put it forward like that, and instead extend the wheelbase like this. So it becomes a stand-up push dolly. And you can use actually this one here to hold boxes or whatever you have going on, so it becomes like a car thingy, as you see in both sides. So now they're being held. This is really good, gotta tell you. Versatility on this one is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Okay, let's go lift something, I guess, and not talking. Okay, so let's begin with this flower pot. This is probably, I would say, well over 100 pounds, that's for sure. And it doesn't have any handles to grab on, and it was just watered, so as you can assume, it's way above. And we're not gonna just drag it around because, of course, it can do that. But how about going down the stairs and let's see how it does. And as you see, it's actually with quite ease. You just, of course, don't let it go because it's downhill and these stairs are a little bit steep, but it's not that bad. And look at the wheels. They lock in really good and they rotate really nice. And, well, what else can I tell you except for taking it back upstairs and simulate just how you would lift this kind of heavy item up the stairs and put it back on place. And it's really good. The plate on the bottom helps a lot when you're putting under stuff. So you can just lift a little bit the flower pot in this case, for example, and slide the dolly underneath, and you are ready to go. And besides that, I mean, it's really beautiful. I have it in upright position right now, but we're gonna go and test it on horizontal position. On the side here, I have a heavy box. This box has some tools and yard tools and parts, and it's really heavy. As you see, probably, I'm not sure if the camera is showing that it's bulged out a little bit on the sides. That means it's really heavy. And I'm gonna see what this dolly can do, and I'm purposefully testing it outside on rough terrain, not just on smooth tiles and asphalt, because of course that anything can do it there. But how about actually testing it outside on the yard? Well, let's give it a run for the money. And as you see, it's really easy. I don't feel like this box is the 300 pounds. Yes, this box is around 300 pounds, and yes, I had help to lift it on the dolly, because obviously I'm not gonna lift over 300 pounds by myself. And here we go. I mean, I don't know what else you need from a dolly. This is absolutely one of the best hand trucks I own.